SIM Air Initial Pairing Tutorial. Insert your SIM card into the device, then connect the power and plug in the Ethernet cable. Wait for the device to start up. First, download our dedicated app, Simplest, from the Apple App Store. After opening the Simplest app, multiple permission requests will pop up. Please be sure to allow all permissions to ensure the app functions properly. Register an account 6-12 characters, no special symbols. Password requirements are flexible. Re-enter the password you just registered to log into your account. Tap My Devices, then Add Device, and scan for devices via Bluetooth. Tap the name of the detected device. A dialog box will automatically appear. Tap Bind Now. As long as your device has normal network access from the router, it will automatically bind and become a remote device. At this point, you have completed the entire device binding process. It's that simple. Congratulations! Your device is now ready. Enjoy the experience it brings. We strongly recommend connecting via Ethernet. If you must use Wi-Fi, follow the steps below. The initial part of the network setup process is the same as the previous tutorial. You can follow the prompts in the app until a screen appears allowing you to choose the setup method. Select Setup via Wi-Fi. If your Wi-Fi is not visible due to signal interference, please refresh the list multiple times to find it. Then, follow the standard steps to enter your Wi-Fi password until connected. After that, tap Bind Now in the pop-up to complete the Wi-Fi setup. Your device is now successfully bound. Congratulations! Setup complete. Your device is ready to use. If you have any questions, please contact our official customer support.